watching a master at work.
So Trevor's over there, hanging out, doing his tires. I'm here. Got Justin Chestnut, brought both of his cars, 600 horsepower supercharged RX-7, and then 400 horsepower LS E46, and then Josh Love's BMW LS swapped over there, and Logan Dimmick's LS swapped hatch. So right now we're just waiting for the road course guys to waiting for the road course guys to clear off so we can go do a little demo. We're trying to like show to the city that it doesn't damage the pavement, and you know they don't know what's really going on because it's a new sport, you know. So we're gonna try and show them all that stuff and just kind of give them a demo. So we'll see how it goes. All right, so I don't really have a GoPro charged and ready, so I'm just gonna film with this. I blew my back bumper off. Justin blew off his. Trevor pulled his off, but my car doesn't look too bad without the rear bumper. It actually looks kind of cool, I guess. Kind of looks weird with the big old freaking hanger muffler son of a biscuit hanging out. So yeah, hopefully Trevor got some footage with his camera. This track is super slippery, so I don't know, man. We'll have to see. Alright, so today I got everything squared away. Took Trevor's trailer back. The car got really dirty drifting yesterday at Bubba Motorsports Park. I went off the course, a little bit of a rear dirt drop, and I freaking blew the back bumper off, but it's okay, it's just cosmetic. The bumper's fine, it's just dusty. And all it was zip ties, so we're good. It does look kind of weird though without the bumper, because look at that Forest Wang tip though. Lol. So, but today I'm going to install some gauges I got for my truck. I got a boost gauge. I'm going to do that today, and I still have to wait for the fitting for the EGT gauge. This temperature probe, I think it's an 1/8 NPT to 3/4 NPT, so we will see from looking around on the internet. So, got some tires. So yeah, here we go. Alright, so I've kind of been finagling everything in here. I'll take all this out. So what I tapped into is cluster A, which is switch power. This is going to be for the boost gauge light. This was already in there for the CB, or sorry, the trailer brakes. And this one I put in, which is going to be for the EGT probe, which I don't have right now. So I'm going to wait for that one. Tuck it kind of back here for now. I have to find a ground, but before I find a ground I have to get some actual, what do you call it, some wire to run this up and top in here. Alright, so what else you need to do is just find a hole to tap through for the line. I did it kind of the getaway. I ordered a boost bolt from Glow Shift, so you don't have to like tap in the manifold, you just use a bolt that was already there. And kind of run it inside the cab, and then that should work. So I just have to get some type of self-tapping screw to secure this cluster on, but other than that it should work. Alright, so the boost gauge seems to be working. Just doing a little test drive here. If you can't see it, sorry, I'm focusing on the road, being responsible. About 18 pounds. Holy shit, I just got up to 60 right there. That was pretty crazy. Diesel trucks are tight. Like, they're tight. Everyone needs a diesel truck in their life. Now, if people could only learn how to drive, then we'd be great. Feels like, let's see, 10 pounds a second. I'm just gonna go to O'Reilly to get some power wire, or some wire for power and ground, so I'll head there and then I'll catch up with you guys later.